Welcome everybody then to this question. Now I've created here a joint probability table. I thought I would use the CBE format on accountancy because that's the same as the CBE format in your actual exam. Now, I know you don't want to really watch me put in all the numbers, so I did the numbers first off, but let me explain where the numbers are coming from first. So here's the cash flows in year one, 1 million, 2 million and 3 million, okay? So let's put those in. That's the 1 million, discounted down, look, at 12%. That's the 2 million, discounted down, just divided by 1.12, that's all I've done. And that's the 3 million, discounted down at 12%. And then these are the probabilities, 10, 15, 40. So nothing difficult there. Now, what a joint probability table is trying to show you, it says, yeah, but you could have this figure in year one, and you could have this figure in year two. Or it could be that one in year one and that one in year two. It could be that one in year one and that in year two. Okay, because year two has three different options. What are those three different options? Let me just go show you. 2 million, 3 million and 5 million. That's 2 million discounted down at 12%. Twice, look, because it's in year two. That's the 3 million discounted down twice. And that's the 5 million discounted down twice. Okay, so it could be that we get 1 million discounted down and then 2 million discounted down. It could be we get 1 million and 3 million, 1 million and 5 million, okay? But it could also be that we get 2 million in year one and just that 2 million in year two. It could be that we get 2 million in year two and that 3 million in year two. Do you see there's actually 9 different options? So all you've got to do is just discount down the year one options, discount down the year two options, and then just put them, they're just copies of each other. You're saying, right, year one, I could get that amount and any of those three in year two. Or it could be that I get that amount and any of those three in year two. Or it could be that I get that amount and any of those three in year two. So that's your joint probability table. That's how you do it. Now, all I've done here is just put the cost in for each of the different options. And then my MPV here, that's just saying, right, that's my income from year one, add on to my income from year two, add on my cost or take away my cost because it's a negative figure, and actually I come out with a negative MPV. This one would say, right, that's my income from year one, that's my income from year two, take off the 3.5 million, and it's still a negative MPV. But on this one, because it's such a high figure in year two, it comes out as a positive MPV. So let's do this one. If I got this amount, so you'd say, right, equals, to make it a function sign, that plus the cost, because I put it in as a negative, that would come out as a negative MPV. This one, that amount plus that amount plus that amount, positive. This one, that amount plus that amount plus that amount, positive. The reason why I'm telling you whether it's positive or negative is because the question says calculate the probability of having a negative MPV. Finally then, could be that amount plus that amount plus that amount, still positive. Could be that amount plus that amount plus, I'll take away my cost, still positive. And finally, that plus that plus that, still positive. So my only negative is this one, and this one. What's the chances of this one happening? Well, it's a 10% chance in year one times by that 30% chance of that happening in year two, a 3% chance. What about this one? It's a 10% chance of happening in year one, a 60% chance of happening in year two, 10% of 60% is 6. And then finally this one, that's got a 50% chance of happening, and that's got a 30% chance of happening, so that's 15. So all I'm going to do now is add them all up, that plus that plus that. That's the chances of having a negative MPV, 24%.